Welcome to episode number 27. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite magic tricks of all time. For this trick, I'm going to be using a pack of cards. And I am going to cut the pack and then have Tennille, Mrs. Ziegler, can you tell me when to stop?
Stop.
Alright, so I'm going to take 3 cards from the pack and show you each of the cards. So this is card number 1, card number 2, and card number 3. Okay, so cut the pack again, and I would like you to think of the last card that we had. You thinking of it? Alright, was that your card? Okay, think of your second card. Was that your second card? Okay. And just to show you that I'm not using my hands, I want you to think of your third card. Was this your third card? There you go. Today I've got some Bible jokes for you and a new laugh track. Why did Moses cross the Red Sea? To get to the other side. Why didn't Noah go fishing? He only had 2 worms.
Ah, tragedy.
Does anyone need an ark? I know a guy. Wow. Here's the answer to yesterday's challenge called Think Outside of the Box. 1, 2, 3, 4. For today's brain teaser, you're going to need 6 coins. Lay the coins in this pattern, making a cross. There are 4 coins in one direction and 3 coins in the other. Try to move only 1 coin so that there are 4 coins in each direction. We had some technical difficulties getting you this video on time, but I thought it would still be fun to see what Mr. Brown, our Phi-Ed teacher, was up to on Easter. I'm really excited about today's word of encouragement. It comes from the kindergarten team of Mrs. Oriana, Mrs. Moss, Miss Ross, and Miss Carmen.
Cast your cares on the Lord. Encomienda al Señor tus afanes.
Cast your cares on the Lord. Cast your cares on the Lord. And He will sustain you.
And He will sustain you.
And He will sustain you.
Y Él te sostendrá.
He will never.
He will never. No permitirá. He will never. No permitirá que el justo caiga.
Never let the righteous fall.
Never let the righteous fall.
Never let the righteous fall.
Psalm 55:22.
Thank you, kindergarten team. What great news that was for us today. That God cares for us, will keep us going, and will never let us fall.